In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly link name effortlessly. Let's dive right in so that you can update your profile and get back to business as usual in no time at all. First, head over to Calendly. Once you're on the home page, take a glance at the upper right corner and you'll notice your profile icon. This is your gateway to personalizing your Calendly experience, so click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will see various options that relate to your account settings and management. Next, from the drop-down that appears, select the option labeled Profile. This is the hub for all your personal information on Calendly, where you can make necessary adjustments to your profile to ensure that it is updated and reflects accurately how you want to be represented. Now that you're on your personal profile page, you'll have the option to change your name. Carefully enter the new name you'd like to be associated with your Calendly account. This step can be particularly important if you've recently changed roles, gotten promoted, or simply want to ensure your displayed name matches your branding or professional identity accurately. After making the changes to your name, the next crucial step is scrolling to the bottom of the page. There, you'll see the Save Changes button. Clicking this will ensure that all of your updates are securely saved and ready for use. It's always a good practice to double-check that everything is spelled correctly and represented well before finalizing your changes. Saving your modifications means that your newly updated details will be reflected across all your Calendly interactions, ensuring consistency and professionalism in all your scheduling activities. And that's it! These steps will help you keep your Calendly profile up to date with the latest information. Updating your profile is a simple yet vital task that reflects how you present yourself to colleagues and clients through your scheduling tool. By maintaining an up-to-date profile, you make sure that everyone engaging with your Calendly link gets the right information about you, enhancing communication, and preventing any potential confusion. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more informative tutorials. Take care, and happy scheduling.